Did you know you can search information from Microsoft Learn documentation inside Visual Studio Code? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your AI assistant inside Visual Studio Code to the Microsoft Learn documentation server, which means if you have a question about Azure, Visual Studio Code, or whatever, your assistant can find it and explain it to you right there inside Visual Studio Code without switching needed. Important thing is that this will work thanks to something called MCP, which is the Model Context Protocol. Don't worry about the name. Your assistant is basically, it explains that your assistant knows how to talk to other tools and other services. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable this inside Visual Studio Code. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so open up Visual Studio Code settings, click in there. And then once you are in there, you can search for chat.mcp.enabled. You will see that in my case, this is already checked. In case your box is not checked, just go ahead and check it. This is still in preview, but this is what we will need in order to add the Microsoft Docs server. This is what your assistant will use to look up real information and real answers on Microsoft documentation. So once this is in, we need to reload the window and we are good to go. So let's go ahead and select reload window. Perfect. So now that we have in here, we need to go to command palette and search for MCP and the list of servers. So let's go ahead and insert in there. I already have it listed in here. In case you don't, just look for MCP and click on list servers. Now, in your case, you probably don't have, like me, Microsoft Docs.mcp, like I do have in here. You can add server in here and go ahead and add the URL that is on the bottom of this video. Now, once you add it, you can see that this will appear like stop. You go ahead and click it and start the server. Great, so now let's see it in action. Let's go ahead and open up our chat. And make sure that you have the option agent enabled in here. Once you have that in there, click on the configuration item and make sure that in here you have the MCP server Microsoft Docs.mcp in here enabled or checked, okay? What is Azure AI Foundry? And you will see that he's already telling you, okay, I'll search for information to provide you with accurate and up-to-date details. And in here, you can see that it's going to Microsoft Docs.mcp. Now, if you click on see more, you will see that the search is going officially to the Microsoft server. Let's go ahead. It's in here. You can see the question that we are asking, and we will click on continue. And now our AI assistant in Visual Studio Code isn't just guessing, it's checking real Microsoft Learn pages to get the best answer that can get. It's super fast, it's smart, and it's super helpful. And the most important thing is that you have updated information. So it means that if Microsoft updates the information, you have your updated information without leaving Visual Studio Code.